I am going to see how much my 100 pesos will take me here in Tawi-Tawi in the year 2025.
Papaya, suha, pineapple. Ano yun?
Hi explorers, it's Nat with the Traveling Foxes, and if you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. So for this video, I am currently in the city center of Tawi-Tawi, and one thing that really impressed me about Tawi-Tawi are the prices of all the food, because it kind of reminded me of Cebu when I was in my childhood. Like, you could almost get things for 10 pesos, 20 pesos, and even if you saw from the previous vlog, I was able to get a fully grilled fish for 30 pesos. So in this video, I'm gonna do a 100 peso challenge and see how far 100 pesos can take us for a full meal. I'm currently in the market and we're gonna start going from there.
For my 100 peso challenge, 10 pesos maha blanca and bukayo, 10 pesos. This is made of coconut with sugar.
Okay. What is it?
Cassava. It's powdered cassava, so they use it like rice when they cook it.
So we are going to go upstairs because apparently that's where all the food is. Okay. You could tell this is a Malaysian stall because you have mie goreng, ayam, pataya, and a lot of options. Dan has completed his 100 peso challenge.
The main dish is chola itum.
Okay.
Chola means parang tinola, itum is itim because they burned the coconut, kaya maitim. I think this is...
And how much is that?
This is 70 pesos. And then, this is my carb. It's shanglag. It's cassava, but you know, parang sinanlag. So dalawa, for 10 pesos each, that's 20. And side dish na kangkong for 10 pesos. Total 100 pesos.
Nice.
So I have eggplant, it's 50 pesos. Rice, 20 peso. And this one, kanina, di ba? 10 peso dessert, maha blanca. And of course, the bukayo. This is my favorite. This is made of coconut, young coconut with sugar. So all of this, 90 pesos.
So for today's 100 peso challenge, we got ourselves some mixed vegetables, 15, and they have a famous mee soup in this region. So for 35 pesos for the small, and she gave me a big discount, I think, on the squid because normally it's like 55. She gives me for 25, and then water all for 100 pesos.
So for my challenge, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to ask Ate to compile different dishes that reaches 100 pesos for me. So I'll do that. Ate, pwede ikaw mo pili og pagkaon. You understand Bisaya, right? Pili pagkaon, pero ang total kailangan 100 pesos. Pwede vegetables na yung saka meat. Ha? Tagalog pala kayo? Okay. Pwede ikaw mamili ng pagkain, pero yung total 100 pesos lang.
Ganito, adobo manok, 50 pesos.
Okay.
Yung kinilaw, 30 pesos. Ginataang ng kabati, yung string beans, 20 pesos. Total 100 pesos.
Total 100. Nice, thank you.
Healthy eh. Ice lemon chula.
Oh yeah. So nice. So the food was actually really flavorful. Did you like your food?
It was awesome. The flavor's so different. It's so cheap.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So this is pretty much the whole area where the food is and all the little stalls. It's not that big, it's easy. You can pretty much go around it in less than an hour. So yeah.
You want a shake? They have everything from chocolate shake, melon shake. Ano yung pink? Yeah, strawberry shake.
Okay lang.
Ube. Whoa, ube shake. Never heard of that. Avocado. Oh.
So now I am trying the straight coconut shake, and it's good. It's good.
Very good.
Very sweet actually.
See, there's no milk, but I think they put sugar. It's really sweet. Definitely sweet.
So Benjo's in the mission to find some green mango. Apparently there's some here.
They're public market. But they look like they have good fried chicken.
Yeah.
Yung mga pakpak. Wala kayong maliit lang na pakpak po yung pakpak. 50 yan, They have really good, just made fried chicken.
So this is one of their markets. So crazy. Look at all that.
Ang tawag dyan?
Buyo ang tawag.
Buyo.
Ito, bangkit.
Bangki.
Bangkit.
Ayan yung shell.
Oo.
The shell, the ground shell.
Okay.
Bakit ganyan yung kulay?
Kasi may dulaw na siya ito.
May dulaw?
Oo, dulaw ang tawag.
Duraw. Ito,
Ito, tabako.
tabako, kaya may nicotine.
Okay.
Ito, bunga.
Bunga. Betel nut.
Oo.
Kasi betel nut. Alin yung nakakalasing?
Ito.
Okay, sige. Game! So, yan na yun.
Oo, kunti lang.
Oh, konti lang. Ayan, buo.
Oo, buyo.
Wow! Pagkatapos,
Yan, yan. Kung may tubig, yan itapon mo.
matigas yung betel nut kasi parang coconut shell. I mean, not husk. Coconut husk pala. Husk. Literally, the husk. Starting to get parang rough. Tapos, nakalasa ko na yung buyo. Tsaka, may tobacco eh.
So what's it supposed to do?
Para sa ano to?
Para sa pipin.
Pampalakas.
Oo.
I'll see.
Mga,
Wow. I hear you get high from that.
how high?
I don't know how high, but I hear.
Ibang kulay na, no?
So Dan, it's been 10 minutes since you took those mixed herbs. How do you feel?
Right now I feel like I'm drunk because I took it all in. I chewed everything. The old man said it has to be, you know, bit by bit, but I chew everything. And then I was supposed to spit, but I was able to, you know, unintentionally swallow some of my saliva. So
Okay, let's see what will happen later. Hopefully it will get less.
when I meet with the mayor, I think dapat normal ba?
Mamaya, hanap tayo ng bakery na may roti.
Wala na mamaya.
Wala na. Hindi, pabalik na dahil tayo dun sa barbecue ulit eh.
Habang nasa munisipyo, time pa.
Oo.
Muslim ka, flavors pala.
Kinikwento ko nga eh. Nat, you remember the jeans na may dark patch, light patch, ganyan? May ibang, kasi sa patch jeans.
Tagpi.
Tagpi. Ang mahal-mahal nun sa States. dito, I saw her cutting the different jeans
I saw nga.
and put it together. Sabi ko, wow, o nga pala. Yun pala yung point nun.
Yeah.
Oh, talaga? Talaga? Oh, mag-line fishing tayo. Wow.
Now we are in the Chinese Pier, and this is where all the trading happens. And also, if you want to go island hopping, you actually get the boats from here. And the boats that you saw earlier, those are the boats that you have to ride. What we're planning to do tomorrow is we are going island hopping, but we are taking our own boat, because if you take the boats that are from here, that transportation does not leave every day. So yeah, let me show you guys around the Chinese Pier, because I find it really, really different than the rest of the Philippines. It's really nice here.
Lapu-lapu.
How much?
380, more than 1 kilo lang.
Oh, nice.
Ito po yan.
Smell it. So the reason why he's smelling it is because in some flights you're not allowed to carry it, right?
Yes.
So you have to make sure that you can't smell the dried fish when you are traveling. So he put a few layers and he's gonna put plastic so Geraldine can take it back to Manila.
Yes. This is good. Like, this is dried fish na lapu-lapu.
Yeah.
So, it's several layers of plastic plus the tape.
Depende sa klase ng isda, mga lapu-lapu at saka mga yung tinatawag na lobster at saka simantes, yung mga pitik, sisiping yan ako.
Anong pinakamasarap na dried fish, kuya?
Red fish, parehas din lahat ng mga red fish, ma'am. Sa sa lutuan lang. Depende lang sa lutuan.
Yan lapu-lapu masarap. Lagyan na maraming kamatis.
Ito ang pinakamasarap. Lapu-lapu. Yan, ma'am. Kahit yan ihalo mo sa damit, hindi yan maamo.
Thank you, kuya.
Guys, let me show you the old school gasoline station. So we are now in the Municipal Hall of Bongao as we are doing a courtesy call with the mayor. They let me a table to work while waiting for the mayor. Because our schedule is till at 3 p.m. and it's only 2:10 and I need to get some work out of the way. So it's really kind of them to lend me this beautiful table. Alright, so we just finished at the mayor's office and it was very educational and we understood a little bit more about Tawi-Tawi and the surrounding islands. Talked about a lot of things, especially in the tourism perspective, and also things about how should Tawi-Tawi be promoted in the future for people to come and visit. I guess you guys can maybe leave in the comments what kind of tourism you find interesting, because they were thinking about what about dive tourism, because they have beautiful corals here. What about adventure tourism for those that like to go camping and possibly like dirt road biking, maybe even zip lines and the like, or is it going to be a place for relaxation, so something like Bali? So lots of nice and interesting conversations we had. So yeah, it will be interesting to see what Tawi-Tawi will become in terms of the tourism perspective in the next, 3 to 5 years. So anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this, please give me a like, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, I am making a whole playlist of Tawi-Tawi. So I hope you can subscribe so you get updated on my next video. So bye for now, guys. I'll see you on my next adventure.